Get that wildcat rig out of my way.
I can't. My wheel's gonna bust.
I can see that. Use your spare.
I ain't got no spare.
Well, then you better drag that rig out of my way. I got a schedule to meet, and I've got to meet it.
Reflecting on it.
Okay, we'll cool off in a minute.
But I ain't gonna bust my axle. You move them jugheads, or I'm gonna move them for you.
Listen to me. All right, now let me tell you something. I know the feel of a whipping. No man and no animal ain't gonna feel a lash when I'm around. You understand?
It's the light reflecting from the outside now. Someone think it's another man. Now I got a stupid light reflecting everywhere.
Remember, say you had a little trouble, huh? No trouble. Box burn out. I just gotta get this loaded into Virginia City. Much obliged, sir.
My name's Joe Cartwright. This is Candy Kennedy.
Petty. You just call me Gunny. This here's my woman, Serafina.
Con mucho gusto, senor.
Virginia City, you planning to stay long?
No reason to. Head north to Canada as soon as I deliver this load.
There's only one freighter in Virginia City. They sure could use another.
Well, thank you, but I'll be moving on.
Well, if you run into any trouble fixing that wagon, we got a line shack a couple of miles from here. You're welcome to use it.
I ain't looking for no charity, mister.
Hell, I'm not offering you. Change your mind about hauling that freight, just let me know.
I'm obliged.
Let me stay here and give him a hand, huh? Good night. You're ex-Army.
What makes you say that?
With his gear stowed and latched, that's Army. So are the nuts.
Yeah. You sound like Florida.
Born and raised on an Army post.
Well, anybody can learn how to tie a knot. You want to pull that log out of there, son?
Gunny. That's what gunnery sergeants are called.
Yeah. Well, it could be for Gunny's sack. What my paw stuffed me into to throw me to the sharks. I'm a freighter, mister. A bet.
All right, so I guessed wrong. I'll help you with that. Get your good stuff, I'll show you that flying shack, all right?